Let me quickly bring in Sumi, who's joining us live from the Delhi Golf Club. Sumi, the entire country is so very proud of our young athlete today. And, you know, the way she performed out there, her putting skills, scintillating really to say the least. Everyone has been talking about her performance. And, you know, like her former coach was also saying, the nation couldn't have hoped for anything better, not a better finish at least.
Yes, absolutely. She has changed the dynamics of golf in India today with her amazing performance at the Tokyo Olympics. And to talk better on the subject, we have the Chief Executive Anil K. Ratan. He's the Delhi Golf Course Chief Executive with us, and he will speak at length as to how her performance really excelled. Sir, what do you think of the performance of Aditi Ashok?
I think it's an absolutely exhilarating performance. Nobody in India would have even envisaged or even dreamt when these young girls went out to represent the country that this is what we would be doing. Since about 5 o'clock in the morning, most of the Indians and the golfers must have been glued to their TV, and it was a seesaw battle. I don't think she's lost. She's come fourth. It's not a loss. I think it's a huge win for India, for Indian golf, for the ladies' golf in India, and I think she's done all of us very proud. I'm very proud of her.
So, do you think today's performance has put golf on a radar, and especially it has changed the golfing dynamics?
Absolutely. I think the ladies' golf was already on the upswing. We had the Aditi Ashoks, we had Diksha Dagar, who've been in the pro circuit now, and they've been doing a great job for the country. This is going to be the biggest fillip, I think, which the Indian fraternity and the Indian golfing circuit required. And I don't think there's any turning back from here. Aditi's missed the medal twice now. I think she missed it in Rio as well. Probably she's going to be third time lucky, and let's keep our fingers crossed.
Third time is the charm for sure, sir. Sir, what do you want to break? Sir, do you want to break some myths when it comes to golf? Because a lot of people think that golf is for the elitist and not for the middle class people.
Not at all. I don't think it is. You know, Delhi Golf Club is a front runner in ensuring that the golf reaches the grassroots. Yeah. We even take the caddies' childrens. We take the people from the lowermost strata. We train them. We provide them equipment. And anybody who wants to go the distance, we welcome that. And I think the complete golfing fraternity works in that manner. It's not only about being an elitist game or only a few can play. No, it's not for the old, it's not for the young, it's for everyone who wants to be there and enjoy the game.
Absolutely. Golf is for everyone, and certainly Aditi Ashok out there has proved that and how. Back to you, Krithvi.